In this video, I'll show you how you can make a table chart in Canva. Now this is really easy, guys. What you have to do is simply open up Canva and make a presentation, then head over to Elements and look for the table up here. So simply select table and you can press see all, and in here you'll be able to choose whichever one you want. So let's say you want to make a calendar, you can just select this one, or you can select one of these and you can put them wherever you want. And you can add a text over it or whatever you want. You can also make them shorter like this, and you can delete columns and rows if you want to customize them a little bit. Up here you can change the color, and you know how this works. So that's basically how it works, guys. Making a table in Canva is pretty easy. Just do as I do. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.